Hey guys, thanks for stopping by the channel. Listen, I want to talk about in this video exactly what the mentality has to be for you to be successful at having your own home business, right? If this is your first time here, please consider hitting that subscribe button for me. Really help me out. Also hit that like button if you get value from this video. I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, if you want to get started in digital marketing, if you want to get started in affiliate marketing, or if you have any questions at all, my phone number is at the top of this video. You can text me, you can call me, we can talk, we can chat, we can go out to lunch, whatever you want to do. But what I want to talk to you about is the mentality that you have to have, okay? I did a couple of videos on mentality now, but the main thing that you have to realize is the work that we do is easy as affiliate marketers. To make videos like this is easy. To download content that we give to you is easy. To repost it is easy. That kind of work is easy to do, but it is still work. You do still have to do it. There's nothing out there where you're going to make money for doing absolutely nothing. It just doesn't work like that. So you do have to actually do some work. But we make it as easy for you as it possibly can be. But you do still have to do it, right? You do still have to go into the vault. You have to download the content. You have to put your link in there, and you have to share it out onto social media. So it's easy work. You can do it. I promise you can do it. We guarantee that you make money with the system. So that's beside the point. You don't have to pay hundreds of dollars. You don't have to sell courses or do the ebook things or the coaching programs, or you don't get upsold on a bunch of crap or anything like that. It's a real legit affiliate marketing business that you can get started for yourself. And I show you everything. I give you everything you need. I show you everything that you need to do. I'm always there. If you have any questions, you can get a hold of me just by texting me at the number at the top of this video. But what I want to tell you also is you have to have the mentality of, I want this. I want to do this. I want to be self-sufficient so I don't have to rely on going to work for somebody else. I want to make it, okay? And as people, it's very easy for us to take our foot off the gas whenever we come up against adversity. Whenever we hit an obstacle, we want to slow down, just take a minute, and then we end up quitting. No, this is hard. I'm not making as much as I thought I was going to make right away, so I'm going to quit. Same thing. You start working out to lose weight. You work out for 30 days. You lost 5 pounds. You quit. You don't keep working out because it's too hard and you don't get any results from it, right? That's the mentality you have to get past, okay? Because there is going to come a point, whether it's right away in the beginning or a little ways down the road, you hit a slow point, and you just give up. As soon as it starts getting hard, you think, I'm not going to be able to do this. We used to call it above the line thinking and below the line thinking. Don't slip below that line. We all do. We all get below that line. And an example of below the line thinking is, I can't make it to work today because my car won't start. All right. That's below the line thinking. So you call off of work. Above the line thinking is, my car's not starting. How can I get to work? I can call a friend, I can talk to a neighbor, I can take a Lyft or an Uber, or I can take the bus, or I can ride my bike, or hell, I can walk. Whatever it is, above the line thinking is finding a way around adversity, okay? And that's what you have to do. That's the mentality that you have to keep. I wasn't always successful at making money online. When I first started, I made very, very little money online. But I kept going. I kept doing it around my breaks. I kept doing it on the weekends when I wasn't working. And I made enough that I could finally just replace a full-time income completely 100% with what I was doing online. So you can get there. If I can get there, believe me, you can get there. And I'll hold your hand and I'll walk you through every single step that I need to do if that's what you want to do. But you need to make sure that you're ready to do it. Once you've made that decision, I want you to go to grabthislink.com, all right? Fill out those fields. You can message me by filling out those fields. It'll take you to an overview video, or you can watch the playlist here on my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please consider hitting that subscribe button for me. If you got value from this, hit the like button for me. And I don't want to go too long. I could keep talking about this for a half an hour, but I'll cut it off there. I appreciate you guys being here. If you're still here and you got value, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and give me a text message. Let me know how you're doing. I'll see you out there.